Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just before we go ahead and get started, please drop me a like and a subscribe. Keep the support coming, and yeah, let's get into today's video. So if you didn't know, last week I put on the front splitter and that did actually come out alright. And I said if I did get enough likes, I would either do a side skirt or a rear lip. And yeah, people did enjoy that. So unfortunately, I don't have enough of it left to do any side skirts or rear lips, but I do have the perfect amount to do a little rear spoiler or little duck lip. Now I have ordered more of that to obviously put some side skirts on because I think it will look alright on this, so stay tuned for that video. But I don't really fancy putting some self tappers into my roof, so I've just gone and bought some stronger double-sided tape. Now it's not going to be enough to rip my paint off because I know there are a lot of brands that do duck lip spoilers with the double tape on it. Does nothing. But yeah, it's just going to be another little detail, and hopefully it is going to come out alright. Like I said, it's going to be universal, so it will apply to most cars. Whether it looks well or not, I guess we're going to find out in a bit. So I'm going to jump outside, put the camera on a tripod, and let's hope I can just get it on correctly. Originally, my plan was to stick it on the roof, but I thought if I put it where I did now, it'd open and it'd hit, so I won't be able to open the boot fully, but turns out it doesn't, so it definitely does look a lot better where I've put it now. So that's pretty much it, and I do think that's definitely worked as well. I did not expect it to look as good as it does. It definitely does have that little finishing touch, but it's nice and subtle, so it doesn't really scream anything at you. And I've got more of these coming on the way, so you will be seeing what they do look like as side skirts, which should hopefully be next week. If not, it'll be a week after. But if you did enjoy this video, drop me a like and a subscribe. We are smashing it recently, so keep up the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.